Hi guys, this is Mr. Conan. This is a video response to Athene. Athene said on his YouTube channel that he's going to make a video game, and he wants it to be really interesting. Specifically, he wants it to be like some sort of intellectual style game. So this is my challenge to you, Athene. This is going straight to you, buddy. Why don't you make a video game that works like a college? Why don't you make a game that you can walk around and anything you can click on, there will be an explanation for how that is made or what it means or something like that? What if your character can jump into space and start learning about the universe or dark matter or planets or planet composition? What if you can click on the sun and learn about the exact hydrogen ratios that are existing on the sun? What if you click on Earth and you can read about the iron core and magma and tectonic plates? This is kind of my idea for the video game you should make, Athene. What if you click on your desk and your desk tells you what kind of wood it was made from, where it was made, how it was processed, how you could make a desk like that? Okay? Really interesting idea. I think you should definitely check it out. Athene, I love you. Been one of my favorite YouTube streamers. Together to top, man. See you later. This is Mr. Conan signing out.